This video will be showing you the process that we use to help you build your custom closet. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. So this is the closet that we'll be building today. This design has two sections and middle one. We have two drawer banks on the two sides and also open shelves. In the middle we have a small jewelry storage cabinet. So we'll be making the shop drawings and also the cut list and also the CNC files in case you outsource the files to the CNC shop. So the first step is taking the measurement of your house. You can provide us with those dimensions. Then the next, after providing us with the dimension, we will start by modeling the closet. Here we can use an inspiration image or the design that you share with us, or even hand sketches, but in this case we have a inspiration image, so that is what we'll be using. So I said this is a modular design because each cabinet can be made on its own and later on be assembled in the house. So it is a little bit easier to outsource the work to more equipped workshop. So after finishing making the cabinets, the next process would be making the scenes and also applying the materials to make sure that the cut list is correct. So here we are making the CNC file, the DXF files. The next phase here will be to export the scenes to layout. These are the cut list file that will be also provided in case you want to DIY the cabinet yourself, and also the cabinet sizes summary in case you outsource them to an equipped workshop. So after making those scenes and arranging them in layout, the next process will be to add the dimensions. So after finishing making the drawings, the next thing we export them in a PDF format. Remember, they are in scale, so in case you are planning to build them yourself, you can print those one and also reference them during the production. So again guys, if you have a project similar to this one or any other cabinet closets, you can get in touch with us using our email info@finelinemillworkdrawings.com or visit our website finelinemillworkdrawings.com, and we will be happy to assist you. So after exporting those PDF files, I usually like to go over them again slowly and check if there is anything that I might have missed or missed somewhere, and make the necessary modification. So in the end, we'll be sending those files. In case you have a CNC machine, or we can also send you the G codes, but if you don't, we'll just send you the cut list, the PDF shop drawings, and also the optimized cut list. So that will be all for this one, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you have any inquiries, please let us know via email or in the comments. Thank you.